morning, everyone. Hi, another beautiful day.
Is it? Yes.
What is wrong with Chicago or Illinois? It's high 40s. It's been raining all morning. It's freezing.
And it's May.
Yeah,
It's gonna be May.
yeah. But we're gonna go to this Thai restaurant that I've been wanting to take to. Okay, let's get one pad thai for sure. Chicken pad thai. It's this one. Kano.
That's good.
Thai crepe stuff with shredded coconut.
Ah, let's get that.
The little crepe there.
This deep fried.
오, 맛있네. 나 좀 땀나게 이렇게 쉰 거 아니야?
원래 신거.
When I went to New York, when like my in-law was helping him move, we went to this Thai place in Jersey area. 맛있다. You taste so much ketchup. 맛있다.
Thank you.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. Butter coconut. The cracker, you know the brown cracker.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave.
Levi's? What? What?
Just say hi.
I don't know.
We came to get my mom's gift. We ended up getting him new crocs. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. Oh, man, my neck is getting old. Well, good morning. I am about to go run. It is beautiful outside. I used to hate such hot days, but I love it now. I'm very excited for today because I have a bunch of activities planned out for myself. As you guys already might know if you watch my recent mukbang, Tong is away for a few weeks. So I am alone, so I want to stay busy and active. So I'm gonna start my day off with some running and some weights at home, and then I'm gonna go play golf in the afternoon, and after that I'm planning to go buy a basketball. So Tong and I recently watched this show called Witches Basketball. Basically like a bunch of celebrities that does not know a thing about basketball are being taught, and it was just so much fun. I was never a basketball person. I was always a volleyball or other sports, but watching that really made me just kind of shoot around. So, and recently, I've been really into just a bunch of sports and activities, so I'm gonna pick up basketball on top of everything else that I'm doing right now. I'm gonna go buy basketball and find an empty court for me to practice. So when Tong comes back, I'm gonna kick his ass. Oh my god, I'm hungry as hell. Luckily my mom made a bunch of side dishes. I'm excited for those. They're like healthy dishes, you know? So
항상 처음 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 또 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지 가스연한 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go out in the sun 느낌이 왔어 이 리듬에 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰 Fly with the wind 이 분위기를 타또 날아가지 못한 곳에 데려가줘 Time after time 사랑을 몰라 말들이 너무 많아 우리 걱정은 마 나는 널 보며 지금 말해 이제 조금 느낄 수 있어 yeah. Alright this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Oh, right, this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder
let's eat. So hungry. I just made some more rice, but I'm gonna just kill the leftover ones first. Ooh, 장조림, one of my favorite. Tom really likes this kind of stuff. It's like pickled pepper. Oh, that's spicy. Hi, can I book a tea time for this Thursday? Mm-hmm.
비주얼 좀 신경 써야 돼. 나도 앞으로 빛이라고 다니까. 우리 업 선생님 비주얼을 위하여. 예.
들어왔어?
저희 페이트백 말고 투자 사업 같은 거 좀 생각해봐요.
Hello? Hello?
올라.
나 밥 먹지.
맛있는 거 먹어?
장도림.
맛있겠다.
뭐니띵.
나 대기?
지금 밥 먹고 그냥 I'm filming. 이렇게.
Oh, you are? Okay.
그냥 뭐해?
We got some breakfast. Or not breakfast. 빵집 갔어. Like a corner bakery. 아니, 그 뭐야. 네가 좋아하는 거 뭐냐. 막 뚜레쥬르 같은 거.
한국집?
No, it was called 80 Celsius or something.
어
85.
가봤어. 분홍 소세지도 있다.
내 있을 때는 그런 거 안 해주면서.
다 아껴뒀지. 너 없어 먹으려고. Hi everyone. So, I think I was supposed to play with 2 more people, but I came early, and usually the scores are very lenient during weekdays. They're super nice. So they're like, "Oh, are you by yourself?" I'm like, "Yeah." They're like, "Go ahead." I'm like, "Cool." So, going for my bogey. My bogey putt. Hi everyone, I just finished my 18 hole. I played front 9 because the back 9 was kind of backed up, and the guy was saying since there's nobody really here, so I could just do whatever I want basically. So I played first 9 hole. It started, there were a lot of foursomes, so it was getting like backed up just because I played alone and I was kind of playing fast. I was playing really well at the back 9, or like the whatever. So I feel pretty good. I think I gotta fix my swing. I don't know. I say that every time, but something always goes wrong after. Anyways, I feel good. I'm gonna go pick up some hamburger and some soda. I am so thirsty. I went through 2 Gatorade and like 1 full water, and I still feel dehydrated. But it's crazy because I don't really need to use the bathroom. So I'm gonna go pick up some hamburger for myself, my dad, and my dad. And then I'll see you guys back at home.
마음이 불끈 솟는 건 아닐 테고.
멈출 수 없어 햇빛이 비추